So guys, that's the $1,000,000 sign, and I don't mean 1 million, I mean millions of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys on the road with me. I'm going to Montego Bay, so I'll keep you guys updated as I stop along the way, whether to take a rest stop or to have a food break, some experience, some new stuff, so you guys will feel as if you're in Jamaica. So you guys just continue to live vicariously through me. All right, so we are taking the highway and we're now going through the toll. Just look how beautiful Jamaica is. Why am I dressed up? You think I took you a drift? Guys, just look at this beauty. You see, you just want the money to live in Jamaica, like I wouldn't live anywhere else. So we're in Unity Valley in Montego. Views for the... So guys, we're about to exit. Look at that view. Can you see the ocean over the hill? Oh, better view. Yeah, better view right there. See, Jamaica is so beautiful. Look at that. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya. My island is beautiful than your island, more beautiful than your island. Oh, this is so pretty. This is like when you're at Mystic Mountain and when you see the summer over. Like, what? So we're in Miami Bay, so we exit by Miami Bay and we're, as I said before, we're heading to Montego Bay. So guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see that over there, but that is the Kaya Herb House. So that's where you go to get your weed. Right there, you go to get your weed. So we're going to get breakfast now, and we're at the coconut tree. So when you come in, you have to sanitize first. Nescafe, here's one Nescafe. I need a Nescafe. I can saltfish, fritters, or stamp and go. That's stewed chicken, plantain, breadfruit, fried dumplings. She have a little bar over there. Like we're so early. You're saying it's 5 p.m. somewhere?
Yes.
So guys, we're eating now. Stewed chicken, plantains, fried dumpling, fried breadfruit,
OJ, mine's having a canned sawfish, fried dumpling, breadfruit plantain.
Finish eating. Now? Oh, the car is so hot. So guys, we are in Rose Hall. Just passing the Joel Grand Hotel, or is it Grande? It was recording? So we are on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Spanish Court Hotel. If you have the money to stay over there. Starbucks coffee for all you coffee lovers. I don't know what is this officer's problem. So guys, let's proceed again. We were just pulled over by the police conducting a routine spot check. I guess because we never look like tourists, we didn't even look like tourists, you know. The Pelican restaurant. Rehab. So why they have a rehab and there's a wine glass? Isn't rehab for persons who are like want to get clean from alcohol, drugs? Views for this. Omar sucking in belly because you don't wine in the video. So now we're on our Cook Boulevard. Montego Freeport. Margaritaville. Guys, I'm in the car waiting on Omar to get back. My battery is on low, so I don't think you guys will see the full trip or to see the full experience of my trip to Montego Bay. Well, we're actually in Montego Bay right now, but you won't get to see when I stop to get my lobster at Sharkies, and also if I see any shrimp on the road, because me love me some pepper shrimp. So I don't think you guys will see all of that. I hope you get to see it. I hope the battery keeps up until I'm at least at Sharkies. I hope, fingers crossed. But guys, if you're still here with me, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button right here. So hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and also comment, guys. I appreciate talking to you guys, you know that, right? So yeah, so guys, stay tuned. All right, so guys, stop, and we did a little rest stop, and we also got some drinks for the road. So this is the Red Stripe and the Dragon. So guys, this is Sharkies. See, you have this little thatched roof. It's fairly nice.
But I have fish as well to the fish here.
So guys, my food is finally here. So it's rice and peas and the seafood platter.
So it's lobster, shrimp, and fish.
My belly is filled to the max. So now that we're heading home, we're going to be taking the old road. So we won't be taking the toll road. We'll be taking the old road so you guys can see a lot more of authentic Jamaican scenery, and also, you know, probably some little food on the road. I want to see peppered shrimp. So we're now in Fern Gully. Mara's right. Ciao. Around this narrow road, Fern Gully. Nature. You say bush, but I say nature. So liming up there. Once upon a time had a buzz. I don't know about now, but it had a buzz. That scenery, house on the hills. So guys, you see old road, but the only thing about the old road that I don't like there's a lot of potholes. Like, imagine driving in the night and having to slow down. Look like right here, so look. So that's why some persons prefer the highway, but I like the old road for the scenery and for, you know, getting to stop on the way to just have a little soup and a little food and stuff. I'm going to show you Omar favorite soup man. If him still there out there, Omar Sengan, Omar have him schedule. Guys, if you see the camera shake up pothole, it does depend on rukutuku. Renew what's on now. So it's like we're coming out of a storm, and down here is like dry. Although the rain start, drew now. How we carry the rain? So right now we're on the gorge. I hope I see the shrimp man. Fingers crossed. I have my $100 ready. Give me mine. I have my cash ready though. I want to stop messing around with my money. So I'm approaching Flatbridge and I have not seen any of the shrimp man on the road. So it look like him done said and gone home. So I won't be getting any scrimp. This stoplight take long for changing. I want it more when I reach across it just stop back so I can get it see properly. So guys, thank you for sticking with me on my journey to Montego Bay and back. If you are still here with me, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until then, lovies, walk good.